Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the Google storage space. We're going to see what is using up all your Google account storage space and what you can do about it. So we're just going to take a brief look at some of the things that you can do. So the first thing that you want to do is to launch your internet browser. And then on the URL, you want to type in one.google.com/storage, and this will quickly tell us what is using up our storage space. So make sure that you are signing in to the account that you want to view the storage space. And then primarily there are three things or three services that's using up your Google account, and that is Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. So when you are signing into your Google account, whether on your phone or computer, if you are signing into your phone, a lot of the times your phone will automatically back up to Google Drive, so all your phone's data is get back up into Google Drive. If you are using Gmail can take up some space as well. And another section is the Google Photos. Google Photos back up all the videos and photos that you sync on. So whenever your phone has new photos, it will sync to Google Photos on the cloud. And together combined, you have 15 gigabytes per account for you to use for free. Now you can see here, in here you got Google Drive, you got Gmail, and you got Google Photos. I'm just trying to tap on it, but I can't actually tap on it. Or you can, it's just not responding very well. Okay, so there it is. So you can see Google Drive is 1.6, Gmail is 0.8, 0.08, and Google Photos is 0.99 gigabytes. So that's close to 1 gigabyte. Another way you can view what is using your Google account storage space is go into Google folder. So if you go back to your home screen, swipe up and tap on Google. In here, if you tap on Drive, which is the Google Drive, it will open up, and then you can quickly see in My Drive and computers, see what is using up all the storage space. But here, if you tap on the menu key, then all the way at the bottom, it will give you a quick summary of how much storage space is being used. You can tap on that, and then it will again show up here as Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. So those are the information that is similar to what you see on the web page just then. So you can tap on Learn how to manage storage, and then it will tell you how you can manage storage. So if you go back to Google Drive, if you tap on Files, so here if you tap on Home, this is what you see. And if you tap on Files, in the Files folder icon at the bottom here, and then in My Drive, it will tell you, or it will show you all the files that you have uploaded to Drive. Now you can sort it. So if you tap on the arrow here, you can sort it by name, last modified, or by the storage used. If you tap on that, it will show you all the storage used, from the one that used the most storage to the least storage. So tap on that. You can tap on that to reverse the filter or the sort by descending or ascending order. So you can see here, if I tap on it, it has an up arrow, and now it will display file from the smallest file size to the largest file size. And from here, you can go down the list and choose whether you want to keep the file or delete it. You can tap on the file to open. If you want to delete the file, you can tap on the menu on the side and then tap on the remove button. So if you want to remove a file. Now another things that you might want to do is to empty the trash. So go in here and empty the trash. Look in backups. Sometimes there are multiple backups. You may want to delete the backups if you no longer need it. So here I can just tap on delete backup and delete backup to get some of the memories back. Another thing that you can do is to go into Photos. So here I'm just going to go into Photos. In Photos, you can quickly find photos that you want to remove. So in Photos, you got photos and videos. You can look for photos by albums or by photos. So you can tap on albums and you can see a lot of photos available. So in Photos here, you can tap and then select the files that you want to remove, and then tap on the delete button, and that will remove the photos from your device. Tap on the menu key here, and you can see you can view files by albums, movie, and other things. You can change the layout as well. Now you can tap on the menu key here as well, and then make sure that you tap on the trash icon, and that will go into the trash, and then from there you can empty the trash as well. If you don't delete the trash, if you don't empty your trash, that means your Google Drive is still taking up space. So make sure that trash is empty in order for you to reclaim all your storage space for Google Photos. Okay, and things that you can do is the Gmail app. So if you go into Gmail, open up Gmail. In Gmail, you can go in here and then find emails that you don't no longer need. You can delete it. Normally, emails don't take up a lot of space. It is the attachment that comes with the emails that actually taking up the space. So you can try to search for emails with large attachments, and then you can go through it and then delete any attachment or any emails with attachments that you don't need. Tap on the menu key here. Also allow you to empty trash. So make sure you go down to the trash bins and delete them. Also any spam folders, you might also want to empty it. Any of the other folders that have large files, you can also go in there and try to delete all the mails. Now to search for large attachments, you can go in here and type in has attachment and then larger than 10 megabytes, for example. In here you can see that it show me 2 emails that has attachment larger than 10 megabytes. You can change this number, so if you want to change it to 20, you can. If you want to change it to say 3 megabytes, you can also do that, and then just tap on the search icon. So put in hash column attachment and then space large column, and then the file size that you want to search for. So here I have filtered any emails that comes with 3 megabytes or larger. Attachment will show the result here, and from here you can choose to delete them if you wanted to. And that's it. So hopefully, if you have an issue with your Google account storage space, you can use these methods to find out which app is using up all your Google account storage space. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, just before I go, if you are using Google Photos, and if you don't want to remove the photos, you can also set the photo quality to high quality instead of original quality. If you set it to high quality, then you can upload as much as you want. So in Photos, if you go into settings, backup and sync, and in here you can choose upload size. Is upload size? Yep, you can choose high quality, so it has free unlimited storage. That means you can upload a lot of photos and videos at a lower resolution. It's still high quality, but it's just lower resolution, and it means you can store unlimited for free. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.